What up, crypto warriors? It's your boy, Sergeant Crypto, and I'm back at it again. All right, I just want to say thank you to everyone liking and subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to give me that thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. So we're going to talk about today DMM Bitcoin. All right, Japanese internet and entertainment conglomerate DMM Group has launched a cryptocurrency exchange under the brand name DMM Bitcoin. There it is, folks, DMM Bitcoin. All right, it began trading yesterday on January 11th. To celebrate the opening, they're giving away 1,000 yens, basically $9, to everyone that opens a new account between yesterday's date, the 11th, and March 11th. All right, so three months of giving away $9 to everyone to trade with. Customers can trade on their PC or use an Android or iOS app. They support Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Ethereum Classic, NEM, Bitcoin Cash, and Ripple, with 14 currency pairs available for trading in addition to the 7 coins trading for yen. 7 crypto-to-crypto pairs offered. You guys can look it up. The article will be linked in the description below. All right, a subsidiary group of DMM is launching a new cryptocurrency exchange. The next cryptocurrency exchange is going to be called CoinTap, and the subsidiary group is Next Currency Inc. from DMM, and they just filed to register with the Japanese Financial Authority. So this is what it basically looks like right here. All right, so CoinTap, this is their logo. Basically what I think it is, it's just Coinbase. All right, so you'll have the trading side, just like Gdax and Coinbase, and then you have the other side for new customers coming into crypto. All right, so they say that it'll be allowed to basically buy and sell from an app on the user's phones. All right, and here's a quote: "Best suited for those who want to start virtual currency transactions such as Bitcoins." All right, so just like I said, they're going to be just like Coinbase, that gateway into crypto. A lot of cryptocurrency newbies come into cryptocurrency using Coinbase. All right, so in Japan, they're going to be doing the same thing with CoinTap. What do I think? I think it's great. The more people, the merrier, okay? The more the merrier, the more adoption to cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin. All right, the easier it is for people to understand what it is and want to use cryptocurrencies. All right, and let's get away from that fiat, man. All right, so Japan is basically ahead of the game. There are retailers right now in Japan that accept Bitcoin as a form of transaction to purchase goods and services as well. So, and they've been doing it for a couple of years now. So, they have the sign in the door. Just like when you go to any store or any retailer here in the US, you'll see the sign on the door, Visa, MasterCard accepted. They have it there in Japan, Visa, MasterCard accepted, and they have the little Bitcoin logo as well. So they've been ahead of the game, man, for years. All right, so let's look at the markets real quick before we go. If you guys want to discuss it, man, tell me what you guys think of these new cryptocurrency exchanges coming to Japan. All right, I think it's great. It'll just feed the market more and, give us an opportunity to make more gains. So right now we're in a sea of green, only a few reds. Ripple is down. I don't know why it was such great news yesterday, but that's more of a buying opportunity again. All right, so I still think Ripple is for sale. This is not financial advice here, people. Okay, this is just my opinion here. And Tron, I think, is definitely on sale still. All right, and it's still down. I want to pick some of those up later again with some Cardano too. I'm just waiting for my money to clear. All right, transferred some dough from Bitconnect over Binance and to QCoin. All right, so I'm definitely picking up some coins today. And someone asked me to show my portfolio, so I'll enter it into my Blockfolio app and do another video later on what I'm currently holding right now. All right, I got some Sidecoin the other day. It's still on sale, and I think they have a great project going. Bitconnect is up. QCoin shares up. Damn, QCoin is $20. Let me see where Binance is. Binance is at 22. Okay. The cool thing about QCoin shares, I think you guys should get onto QCoin. The link is in the description below, of course. Get on the QCoin and you can stake the QCoin share coins on the platform. Right, just leave it in the wallet there and stake those coins right there on the platform. So you're getting free coins just for holding it. All right, can't go wrong with that. Dekado Coin is up. I talked about this a couple of weeks ago. All right, at the end of the year. All right, Digibyte got some of that. That's up. So, like I said, great news coming from Japan. All right, with them introducing this new coin exchange, and in a couple of months or weeks, or they'll be introducing that new app. All right, CoinTap, to bring more people into the fold. Okay, so I'll definitely be showing my holdings later. Not the cash balance or the Bitcoin amount, but just the percentage that I'm holding in my portfolio. I don't think it's smart to be showing, although people really can't get it. I don't think it's smart to be showing, how much dough you have, and shit like that. All right. So, I'm from old school Brooklyn, man. Dudes will run up on you and take your shit. I ain't trying to have that happen. I got kids. I ain't trying to have nobody running the crib, yo. Looking for the Bitcoins, thinking that something tangible and shit. All right, because people are stupid. But yeah, man, it's your boy Sergeant Crypto. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, man. Share the videos. All right, and I'll also be doing giveaways soon, starting next week. I'll be doing giveaways on the Coin. All right, I'll be giving away some DAV to everyone that signed up under me. All right, not to everyone, but everyone that signed up under me has a chance to win some free DAV starting next week. All right, so stay tuned to that, and thank you to everyone that's been supporting me. And it's your boy, man, Sergeant Crypto. I'm out. Peace.